In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Slack using a canvas. If you've ever wondered how to keep your information organized and clear for your entire team, using tables in Slack can be a great solution. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, we need to open or create a new canvas in Slack. Think of a canvas as your blank slate, perfect for capturing and structuring all kinds of information you want to share with your team. To find your way to a canvas, start by navigating to Home. Once there, you can look for the option labeled Canvases. You might also find it listed under Files. Either way, don't worry, it's easy to find. Once you've located the Canvases section, your next step is to create a new canvas. This is where the magic happens. Essentially, you're setting up a space where you can begin to build and customize your table. Imagine constructing a digital space right before your eyes where the possibilities are as wide as your creativity. Now, with your canvas open and ready, let's move on to actually inserting that table. You'll notice a user-friendly toolbar included in the Canvas environment. This toolbar is your best friend when it comes to adding various elements to your canvas. Seek out the option that allows you to create a table. Typically, you'll see a button or an action labeled something like Create a Table, designed specifically for this purpose. Once you click to insert the table, you'll see it appear in your Canvas workspace. From here, it's all about organizing the data that you need. Feel free to get creative with your table. Add rows and columns as much as you need, and play around with formatting options. Customize your table until it's just the way you like it. This is your chance to make the data not only well organized, but also visually appealing, which can significantly enhance understanding and communication within your team. Now that you have your table all set up, the final step is sharing your work. You can easily share your canvas, complete with the newly inserted and formatted table, into your desired Slack channel or direct message. Sharing is key to collaboration in Slack, and by doing this, your team can view, edit, or even provide feedback on your table. You'll find that making use of tables in Slack not only organizes information neatly, but also facilitates effective communication and collaboration among team members. And there you have it. A quick yet detailed guide on how to insert a table in Slack using a canvas. It's a simple yet powerful feature that can significantly impact how your team shares and manages information. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your work in Slack just a bit more streamlined and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy table making.